tamu.
This is my view. Very nice, but it's raining at the moment, as you can see. So this is definitely an issue because I made a deal with them, the same as Two-Sita Hotel. So I told them like I'll make a video for you in exchange of free accommodation, but I'm only staying 2 nights. So yeah, that's not a long time to film, and now that it's raining, yeah, that's quite problematic because I can't film now or today unless it stops before the end of the day. And yeah, I guess tomorrow will be the only day I'll be able to shoot the video. So, but I was hoping and planning to actually go around and visit the rice terraces and some other stuff in Ubud. So yesterday didn't work out at all. It rained all afternoon, but this morning it is sunny. So I am going to take some shots of the hotel because I do have to finish the video by tonight or tomorrow, the latest. There's some people having breakfast behind me, but yeah, I'm hoping to. Yeah, I'll focus on the swimming pool for now, waiting for them to finish, and then I get some shots of the breakfast area. Yeah, I'll take some shots of that behind me when the people finish working. So yeah, let's do it. So I filmed the swimming pool and I do the breakfast area and one of the rooms this afternoon. So even if it rains, it won't matter much. Okay, now I'm off to the Tegalalang rice terraces.